Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and this video is about using Instagram stories as a placement option for your Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. Now, when you create a Facebook ad campaign or an Instagram ad campaign in Facebook's Ads Manager, which is where I'd strongly recommend you do create your campaigns, you have many more options and functionality there. One of the things that people often do is they'll either use automatic placements, which just advertise on everything, which could sometimes be okay, or they'll be very selective with the placements that they advertise on, and they'll only go for, let's say, the Facebook news feed in both mobile and desktop, and the Instagram feed. And they'll miss out stories. They won't advertise on Instagram stories and use Instagram stories as a placement option. I think that's a mistake. So over the last, I would say 6 months, maybe a bit longer, we've seen fantastic results with Instagram stories. And what you'll find, which is what we find, when we're running conversion campaigns, let's say we're looking to generate leads or generate purchases, is that the stories placement doesn't deliver an enormous amount of volume. So rarely are we going to find more than, let's say, 30% of our total conversions coming from Facebook and Instagram stories placements. Because more people still spend, most people spend a lot more time on the Facebook feeds, and on the Instagram feeds as well. So when your ads are there, they're going to be seen by more people more frequently. That's going to result in more conversions. But what we are seeing with the Instagram stories placement is great cost, so very low cost per conversion. In fact, often it's our best performing placement option when it comes to cost, which of course everyone wants to pay less per lead, everyone wants to pay less per sale. So if you are being really specific and just targeting the feeds or something else, I would strongly recommend that you include Instagram stories as an ad placement option. Now, a lot of people think that in order to, have an effective campaign running on Instagram stories and all that sort of stuff, you need a short video clip or something like that for it to sort of fit the format. That's not true. If you do have something like that, great, test it. But we've seen fantastic results from single image ads, static image ads. Facebook know how to turn an image ad into something that looks good and can perform well on the Instagram stories placement. Now, of course, you can go further, and within Facebook's Ads Manager, when you are setting up your campaigns and they are targeting Instagram stories as a placement option, you can customize the creative to look great. So you can put like a nice box around things and all that sort of stuff to make it look really good. But that's not necessary, that's just sort of extra credit. But the big takeaway I would say that you should have from this video is don't exclude Instagram stories as a placement option. Definitely include it. It will probably deliver your lowest cost per conversion, which is fantastic. That doesn't mean you should turn off the other placement options because, as I said, the volume's not as high, but I definitely recommend go ahead and including it. Now, before you go, something I want to quickly mention, and that's my Facebook Ads Mastermind group, which is my free Facebook group. I said you can join it. There'll be a link in the video description. And this is a group of over 9,000 Facebook and Instagram advertisers that are looking to get better results from Facebook and Instagram advertising. Fantastic community. People ask dozens of questions every day, get them answered by experts, including myself, people who own Facebook advertising agencies like me that can really help out. Lots of people willing to take part. Amazing community. If you want to meet people that are like-minded, get better results from your Facebook and Instagram ads, I'd strongly recommend you go ahead and join. Completely free to do. As I said, link will be in the video description. And before you go, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Please, that's much appreciated. Got any questions, comments, feedback for me? You enjoyed this video? Pop them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Facebook and Instagram advertising related content, which I'm publishing multiple times a week. Thanks guys, bye-bye.